Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The DJI Mavic 4, poised to be a cornerstone in consumer drone technology, promises a significant leap forward in aerial photography and videography. This in-depth analysis delves into the key features, anticipated release, and potential impact of this highly anticipated drone. Design and aerodynamics. Sleek and streamlined, the Mavic 4 boasts a redesigned airframe, prioritizing both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The sleek and streamlined profile minimizes drag, contributing to improved flight performance, extended flight times, and enhanced maneuverability. Materials and construction. DJI is likely to employ high-grade, lightweight materials such as carbon fiber and advanced polymers in the Mavic 4's construction. This approach ensures a robust and durable airframe while maintaining a lightweight design crucial for efficient flight and portability. Gimbal and camera integration. The design likely integrates the gimbal and camera system seamlessly into the drone's body, further enhancing aerodynamics and minimizing turbulence caused by protruding components. This refined integration contributes to smoother flight and improved image stabilization. Hasselblad branded triple camera system. Unmatched image quality. The inclusion of a Hasselblad branded triple camera system is a significant highlight. Hasselblad's renowned reputation for exceptional image quality, particularly in medium format photography, promises unparalleled image capture capabilities for the Mavic 4. Versatility and flexibility. The triple camera setup likely incorporates a high-resolution primary camera, a wide-angle lens for capturing expansive landscapes, and a telephoto lens for zoomed-in shots and enhanced subject isolation. This versatility provides users with a wide range of creative options and expands the scope of aerial photography and videography. Advanced imaging technologies. Expect the integration of cutting-edge imaging technologies such as high-resolution sensors. Larger sensors capture more light, resulting in improved low-light performance, reduced noise, and greater dynamic range. Advanced image processing. Sophisticated algorithms enhance image quality through features like noise reduction, sharpening, and dynamic range optimization. Computational photography. Techniques like HDR, high dynamic range, imaging, AI-powered scene recognition, and real-time image stabilization will further elevate the quality and creativity of aerial captures. Extended flight time and improved battery technology. Enhanced battery capacity. The Mavic 4 is anticipated to feature a higher capacity battery, enabling significantly longer flight times compared to previous generations. This extended endurance provides users with greater flexibility and creative freedom, allowing them to explore larger areas and capture more footage without interruptions. Efficient power management. Advancements in battery technology and power management systems will optimize energy consumption, maximizing flight time while minimizing battery degradation. Rapid charging solutions. To minimize downtime, DJI may introduce faster charging solutions or compatible portable chargers to ensure quick battery replenishment between flights. Advanced obstacle avoidance and flight safety. Multi-directional sensing. The Mavic 4 is expected to incorporate a comprehensive suite of sensors, including forward, backward, upward, downward, and lateral sensors, providing 360-degree obstacle avoidance capabilities. AI-powered obstacle recognition and navigation. Advanced algorithms will enable the drone to intelligently recognize and avoid obstacles in real time, ensuring safe and reliable flight operations even in complex environments. Geofencing and flight restrictions. Integrated geofencing technology will restrict flights in no-fly zones, ensuring compliance with local regulations and enhancing overall flight safety. Autonomous flight modes and intelligent features. Waypoint missions. Users can easily program autonomous flight paths using waypoints, allowing the drone to navigate complex routes and capture pre-planned aerial footage with minimal user input. Active track. Enhanced active track capabilities will enable the drone to intelligently follow subjects, maintaining smooth and stable tracking even in challenging scenarios. Point of interest mode. Users can select a point of interest, and the drone will orbit around it while capturing stunning aerial footage. Master shots. Pre-programmed cinematic flight sequences will allow users to capture professional-looking aerial footage with a single tap, even with limited piloting experience. Connectivity and transmission. High-bandwidth transmission. The Mavic 4 will likely feature a significantly improved transmission system with higher bandwidth and longer range, enabling reliable video transmission and remote control even at greater distances. Low latency transmission. Reduced latency will improve responsiveness and enhance the overall piloting experience, making the drone more agile and easier to control. Improved signal stability. Advanced algorithms and antenna designs will minimize signal interference and ensure a stable and reliable connection, even in challenging environments. Other key features. Higher maximum flight speed. Increased motor power and improved aerodynamics will likely result in a higher maximum flight speed, enabling faster and more dynamic flight maneuvers. More durable airframe. The use of robust materials and improved design will enhance the durability and resilience of the airframe, making it more resistant to impacts and minor collisions. Integrated GPS and GLONASS. Precise positioning systems will ensure accurate flight navigation and positioning, even in areas with limited GPS signals. Water resistance. Some level of water resistance may be incorporated to enhance durability and allow for operation in light rain or near water bodies. Expected release date and price. The DJI Mavic 4 is anticipated to be released in the fall of 2025. The price is expected to be around $2,199, positioning it as a premium consumer drone. Conclusion. The DJI Mavic 4 represents a significant advancement in consumer drone technology, offering a compelling blend of cutting-edge features, exceptional performance, and unparalleled image quality. With its sleek design, powerful camera system, advanced flight capabilities, and user-friendly features, the Mavic 4 is poised to redefine the aerial photography and videography landscape, empowering both professional and enthusiast users to capture stunning aerial content with unprecedented ease and creativity.